So hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover a file from recycle bin. So to do that, you have to right click on your mouse and then create some file. Sorry, you don't have to do that actually. I'm going to create some file here. So let's create a text file. Okay, let's call it test 012345. Okay, so this is our text file, and let's say if I want to delete this, like I have to go to show more options and then go to delete, and the file has been deleted, right? So there is no more text 012345.txt. So what we are going to do is go to our recycle bin, and in here the file should be here, and you can see test 012345.txt is still here. So how to recover this? You can recover the file like this by this method, and that is just select the file and then click on restore the selected item. Okay, so like this, you can see our test 012345.txt has come back. So that's how you can recover or restore files from your recycle bin. But remember, if you have actually clicked on empty recycle bin, you will not be able to recover the files. Like, yes, you can still recover them through some software, I guess, but in that case you are requiring third-party softwares, and the method is much more, I guess, a little bit more difficult from whatever this method that I've shown. Good luck on your thing, and goodbye.